Do stairs feel like mountains these days? Do your knees ache halfway up or your legs tremble before you even start? You're not alone. After 60, one of the biggest challenges many people face is the simple act of climbing stairs, something they used to do without even thinking. But here's the good news. Top surgeons and physical therapists have discovered 5 powerful, surgeon-approved exercises that can restore your strength, balance, and mobility in less than a month. These aren't gym workouts or complex routines. They're simple moves you can do right at home. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to make every step up those stairs feel easier, lighter, and pain-free again. As we age, our muscles naturally lose strength and elasticity. The legs, hips, and knees, the very muscles that carry us up the stairs, begin to weaken. Over time, this can lead to stiffness, poor balance, and even fear of falling. According to orthopedic surgeons, the key to climbing stairs with ease isn't endurance, it's muscle activation. When the right muscles are strong and coordinated, the body moves efficiently, taking pressure off the joints. But when they're weak, every step becomes a strain. The good news? You can turn this around faster than you think. Research shows that targeted strength training, even in your 60s, 70s, and beyond, can rebuild muscle fibers, improve blood flow, and enhance joint support. So today, we'll go over the only 5 exercises that surgeons recommend for seniors who want to regain their ability to climb stairs effortlessly. Each movement targets a specific part of your lower body, from your glutes and hamstrings to your knees and ankles, helping you rebuild power and stability step by step. 1. The chair squat, strengthening the foundation. The first and most fundamental exercise is the chair squat. Surgeons often call it the foundation move because it mimics the exact motion of standing up and climbing stairs. When you perform a chair squat, you're training your quadriceps, glutes, and hamstrings, the powerhouse muscles that drive you upward. As these muscles strengthen, the knees experience less strain, and you begin to feel more stable when stepping up. How to do it? Sit in a sturdy chair with your feet shoulder width apart. Keep your back straight and your chest lifted. Slowly push through your heels and stand up. Then gently lower yourself back down. Start with 10 repetitions a day and increase gradually. This simple exercise rebuilds functional strength, meaning strength you use in daily activities like standing, walking, and yes, climbing stairs. 2 heel raises, the power of the calf. Next up is an underrated move that directly affects your ability to push off each stair. The heel raise. Your calf muscles, located at the back of your lower legs, are like your body's built-in shock absorbers. When strong, they help you lift your body upward and control your descent when stepping down. When weak, you lose power and balance. How to do it? Stand upright, holding onto a wall or counter for balance. Slowly lift your heels off the floor, rising onto your toes. Hold for a second, then lower back down. Perform 15 to 20 repetitions, twice a day. Surgeons often point out that consistent heel raises improve circulation, reduce swelling in the legs, and restore stability in the ankles, making each step up or down safer and smoother. 3 step-ups, rebuilding coordination and confidence. If there's one move that truly simulates climbing stairs, it's the step up. This exercise doesn't just strengthen your legs, it retrains your brain and body to work together again. Balance, coordination, and strength all come into play here, making it one of the most effective rehabilitation movements for older adults. How to do it? Use a sturdy platform, low bench, or even the first step of your staircase. Step up with one foot, press through your heel, and bring the other foot up to meet it. Then step back down and repeat. Alternate your leading leg with each repetition. Start slow, even 5 minutes a day can make a big difference. Over time, your legs will feel lighter, your balance steadier, and your confidence higher. Surgeons often recommend step-ups because they not only strengthen the glutes and thighs, but also improve joint alignment, which helps relieve knee pain. 4 seated leg extensions, protecting the knees. One of the most common complaints after 60 is knee pain, and that pain can make stair climbing feel like an impossible task. But the seated leg extension is designed to protect and strengthen your knees without putting too much pressure on them. This move isolates your quadriceps, which act like natural knee braces. Strong quads absorb impact, stabilize the kneecap, and reduce discomfort when bending or climbing. How to do it? Sit tall in a chair with your feet flat on the floor. Slowly extend one leg forward until it's straight. Hold for a few seconds, then lower it back down. Repeat on the other leg. Do 10 to 15 reps per leg, 2 to 3 times a day. Surgeons call this exercise knee therapy in motion because it strengthens without strain. Over time, it helps restore mobility and makes each stair step feel smoother and less painful. 5 hip bridges, unlocking strength and balance. Finally, we come to the hip bridge, a simple floor exercise that unlocks one of the most overlooked muscle groups in older adults, the glutes. The glutes are the engine behind stair climbing. When they're weak, the burden shifts to your knees and lower back, leading to pain and fatigue. But when you strengthen them, your body moves as one powerful, coordinated unit. How to do it? Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Tighten your core and slowly lift your hips toward the ceiling. Hold for 3-5 seconds, then lower back down. Repeat 10-15 times daily. In clinical studies, hip bridges have been shown to enhance pelvic stability, reduce lower back pain, and improve walking endurance, all essential for climbing stairs without discomfort. The 30-day plan to rebuild your stair strength. Now that you know the 5 key exercises, how do you put them together? Surgeons recommend combining them into a daily 10-minute routine. Here's how your plan might look. Day 1 to 7. Focus on learning the movements. Do each exercise for 2 sets of 10 reps. Day 8 to 15. Increase the intensity. Add 1 more set and focus on controlled movement. Day 16 to 30. Gradually add resistance, such as light ankle weights or holding onto a small household item for extra challenge. By the end of 30 days, you'll not only feel stronger, you'll move with greater ease, balance, and confidence. Many seniors report being able to climb stairs without pain for the first time in years. Why these exercises work so fast? Now you might be wondering, why do these simple moves work better than hours at the gym? The answer lies in functional strength. Gym machines often isolate single muscles in unnatural ways, but your body doesn't climb stairs one muscle at a time. It uses a coordinated network of legs, hips, and core muscles. These 5 movements are designed to strengthen that network exactly how it's used in real life. That's why surgeons love them. They're efficient, safe, and mimic natural motion. Additionally, these exercises increase blood flow and oxygen delivery to your lower body, which helps repair aging tissues and boost muscle tone. Combined with proper hydration and nutrition, especially foods rich in magnesium, vitamin D, and lean protein, your recovery and progress will accelerate even more. The science behind stair struggles after 60. Aging causes a gradual loss of muscle mass, a condition known as sarcopenia. Starting around age 50, adults lose about 1% of muscle per year, and even more if they live a sedentary lifestyle. But that's not the only factor. As tendons and ligaments lose flexibility, the joints lose their natural cushioning. This leads to stiffness, imbalance, and pain during movement. However, scientific research from institutions like Harvard Medical School and the American Geriatric Society shows that targeted strength exercises can reverse sarcopenia and even increase muscle density regardless of age. That means it's never too late to rebuild strength and agility. Whether you're 60 or 80, your body still responds to consistent, smart movement. Additional tips for faster results. 1 warm-up before every session. A quick 2-3 minute march in place or gentle ankle rotations help prepare your joints and prevent injury. 2. Focus on breathing. Exhale when you exert effort and inhale when you relax. This supports your core and keeps oxygen flowing to your muscles. 3. Stay hydrated. Dehydration can lead to cramps and fatigue. Drink water before and after exercise. 4. Don't ignore pain signals. Discomfort is normal at first, but sharp pain is not. Always stop and rest if something doesn't feel right. 5. Track your progress. Write down how many repetitions you can do each week. You'll be surprised at how fast your strength returns. The transformation you can expect. Within 2 weeks, you'll notice small changes. Standing feels easier, sitting doesn't hurt as much, and you'll begin to feel more grounded when moving around. By week 4, most seniors experience better balance and confidence climbing stairs. Noticeably less knee and hip pain, improved energy levels due to increased circulation, stronger legs, and better posture. These changes may seem small at first, but they add up to one thing: independence. Being able to move freely without fear or fatigue is one of the greatest gifts you can give yourself, and it's fully achievable with these 5 simple exercises. So, if you're over 60 and struggling with stairs, remember this: you don't need expensive equipment, gym memberships, or miracle pills. All you need are these 5 surgeon-approved exercises done consistently for 30 days to rebuild your strength, protect your joints, and regain your confidence. The journey to easier movement starts with one decision: to take that first small step literally. Your body is capable of incredible recovery, no matter your age. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications for more science-backed health tips that help you stay active, strong, and independent.